Welcome back to Jamming in Their Repair. I drive my car a lot. I mean, 30 to 40,000 miles a year, which is way more than most people. So, I ran into a situation several months ago, and I just want to know, did I deserve to be flipped off? Okay, and I kind of think maybe yes, and I kind of think maybe no, but I'll let you decide. So here's what happened. This cool layout I have. And by the way, I bought all these Hot Wheels at a rummage sale for $5 just for this video. So, these videos cost me money. You should support the channel and go buy a sticker at jamminginThere.com. Anyways, here's what happened. The blue car here is me, all right? And I'm cruising eastbound on Highway 23 in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. And what happened was I realized too late that I was in a right turn only lane, okay? So, that's a bummer. Lots of traffic, hardly any place to move. So I kind of squeezed my way and went sideways in here. Okay, this, I'll call him Beetle Brain. Not happy. And I get that, okay? He's not happy with my driving skills at this point. So he beeps to let me know that he's displeased. Okay, I get that. Okay, I apologize. The light turns green, right? And we all start to go. Okay, this guy goes, I go, this guy goes, right? This guy's right behind me. These other cars really don't matter. It's just this group of cars here, right? And he gets up here, and I get over here, and I realize this truck right here is disabled. It is in a right turn only lane, okay? Right? He ain't going anywhere. Now this guy in the red car is in exactly the same situation I was in just a few moments ago back here. So I think, you know what? I'm gonna let the guy get in here, all right? And he does. I leave enough room, let him in there, right? Kind of make up for cutting off Beetle Brain here. But I also know it's gonna anger Beetle Brain that I let yet another car in front of him. And as expected, Beetle Brain beeps at me in his displeasure in my driving skills. So, okay, yeah, I get it. You're still mad at me, but I don't care. I just don't care. It doesn't bother me at all. But this guy, right here, I let him in there. Plenty of room. No squeezy, easy peasy. Here's the horn beep from Beetle Brain. Rolls down his window and gives me the one finger salute. Like I'm beeping at him. And I'm just sitting there slapping my head going, oh my God. So, what do you think? Did I deserve to be flipped off? Or am I right? I don't think I'm right. I did cut Beetle Brain off here. But still. Oh well, let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up, make a comment. Really want to know how could I have done this better? Have a good day. Bye-bye. Right turn only, beep, beep, beep. Ah! Go drive it. All right, yeah. Wipe out. Okay, head on crash. Here we go. Oh, missed some. Head on crash. Rah, rah. Oh, got him. All right. Woo. That's hard being a kid.